Dr. Brajesh. In the continuation, we just wish to ask you, as you said that now all the news and everybody is showing that the rivers are getting better, the environment is getting better. If you just go through this WhatsApp lighter jokes, they are just saying that you can visualize Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty from the window of your home, just to make a fun of this pandemic situation. So in this situation, what will you say that what is the exact scenario that is to be narrated in this situation? What is the good effect of COVID-19 and what would be the post COVID scenario according to you, being an environmentalist?
Yeah, see, actually, I see Corona as a positive things because environment. See, always we become, as I said, na one-sided. But now God has again, like it has rebooted everything. So you can see, we were earning more, so we were going to every countries and we are spending money and again wasting the environment. So automatically it is stopped. That is number one. Number two, we were going, like we are increasing traffic, we are purchasing cars and all vehicles without thinking that okay, what happened to the environment. So again, you can see from last 1.5 months, there are very much less traffics. So again, it will decrease the air pollution. Industry automatically stopped. So definitely it is affect to the production, but one way if we see from the environment side, so that air pollution as well as water waste and everything is stopped. So and second thing, in some videos you have also seen that many animals are moving on the road, right? So the basically earlier we were going to zoo, but now like we are in the zoo. It's like that situation. Means we have to think on it. Okay, like are we going to change the scenario? Are we going to change our lifestyle? Again, let me show you some screens so that will be better to understand.
Referring to your PPTs, you just
Yeah,
mentioned about 9 hours to be
yeah,
followed. We are just
right.
aware about 2 to 4 hour, that is
Hmm.
recycle, reuse, and other things. We are
Reduce,
not
reduce.
familiar with 9 hours. Can you just
Right.
throw light on that?
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you everything. Yeah. So see, the basically post-COVID situation, what I am seeing, that is we have to change our lifestyle. Otherwise, definitely, like COVID, another problems will also come. So, do we have solutions? Yeah. So, सबसे पहले what we have to do is for the plastic. See, actually, government has banned the plastics. They were planned for from 2nd October, but now I think 2 years they have stopped. But that is our own responsibilities to work on it, and we have to stop that using single-use plastic. Same energy, we all knows, everyone knows this, but who are doing? So we have to be more conscious about it. As ma'am said, otherwise you have to be ready for consequences, right? So we are using AC. See, again for AC, I'll say if we put temperature of AC at 27 degrees Celsius, it is far better because see, natural temperature and our body's temperature should be maintained. Otherwise, what happened right now? If we put temperature of AC at 22, 25 degree or 23 degree, we are getting heat, cold inside, but the outside temperature is increased. So that is the biggest problem for other animals. Again, so we have not to be selfish. We have to think for that also. If we can work maximum without light, see nowadays we can see that in the classrooms of colleges or schools or any workspace we are using lights only. We have stopped using sunlight, so that is also a very big concern. So we have to think for that. If we say about the fuel, again, like public transportation is there, but still we people are following our own transportation system. So we have to think on that, as well as we have to go for the alternative of fuels. So these are all the issues. Means basically we have to change our behavior for the climate change, right? So I'm not going in detail for these all points, right? But basically we have to change our behavior, we have to change our lifestyle, we have to follow simplicity, as our Gandhiji and many people have said earlier, right? So before going to that 9 hours, let me focus on this topic, that is called circle of sustainability. I will go in detail. Why? Because right now, what is the problem and why it happens? That is because of this graph, you can say. See, from many years, we have tried to develop our economics, we have developed our politics, we have developed our culture. But on basis of this, it is totally destroying our ecology. If you see all the points, that production, exchange and transfer, accounting and regulations, consumption and use, all this there in economics. So we are continuously developing. We are using our new technologies, automation, robotics, everything to enhance the economics, to enhance the production, to enhance the quality, right? But again, it is affecting the ecology. Same again, you go for governance and laws and justice. So I think we have made laws for animals and everything, but how many are really or actually followed? So that again we have to check. And if we see the culture, yeah, because of net, because of these all social medias, the whole world becomes a small family. But still, in home only we can see lot many grudges between the people at the home. Means we forget the love which we got from the nature. We forget all that. So, and according to all these three are increasing, we are destroying our flora and fauna. We are destroying our water and air. So now I request all the students also focus on this part, because if we will not work on this ecology, then definitely future like earth is not going to be as it was, right? So basically this is now people are using a word, this one, circular economy. Many people are talking on that, and definitely Gujarat and India, we are from the many years we were using circular economy. Our Ravivari we know very well, and the Sunday bazaar is there near our Sabarmati river. So Ravivari is the part of circular economy only. But still, because our purchase capacity is increased, our earning is increased, we are not thinking whether this thing is really required to me. People are purchasing because of sales. Like I am taking 5 t-shirts, 5 jeans if I am getting good uh, price. So this all things we have to stop, because if we consider, there is a calculation, one t-shirt requires 100-liter water. If a good quality t-shirt you purchase, it requires 100-liter water from raw material to end product. So this all things are matters, right? So now let me talk about the 9 R's. So earlier we just follow reuse, recycle and reduce. But now the time has come, we have to follow this 9R. It is start with rethink, then refuse, then reduce, then reuse, then regift, repair, rent, recycle, and the last one is from the again nature wrote, right? So earlier we were just starting, okay, reduce the things, but no, now we have to rethink in each and every part. Like whenever you are making any choice, you have to rethink whether it is affecting to the nature or not, whether it is going to destroy something in the earth or not, whether it is helping the coexistence or not. So we have to rethink in each and everything. I think this is very important after COVID. Second, if we really not required, we have to refuse the things. Like definitely whether government will make the this one, like we have to not use plastic, we personally have to stop that. If we talk about third, reduce, so many consumptions, as I have mentioned, electricity or any fossil fuel or anything, we have to reduce the use. And definitely reuse everything. We can get the best example from mothers. Like if the khichdi is there in the evening, in the morning you are getting muthia. So this is best way of reuse. People are also using plastic waste bottles and making a small gardens. So we are also doing, but in all the things we have to check whether we can reuse or not. New concept came of regifting, right? People are doing but not mentioning it very well. Okay, I got this gift from someone, I am giving to someone, but now it becomes a new trend to regift someone. Okay, I got from here, but I am actually not, it is not my use, so let me give to someone. So that is also a new concept of regift. Repairing, definitely when we were studying, right now I think children are not knowing about repairing, but when we were studying, our mothers are now repairing our bags, school bags, everything, right? So now we have to come back, because if we decrease the production, or if we decrease the actual use of the raw materials, then only we can stop all these pollutions, right? Next is repurpose or reinvent. Of course, like you can see, lot many houses now, population is much more, so lot many houses are become smallest, right? So here the role of designers, the designing people or architectures are there, so they have to reinvent many things and how it will be repurposed, right? And then the part of recycle will come. So still with 7 points, there is no option of recycling. After 7, if it is not there, then you have to go for recycling, right? And if it is not happened, then definitely if it is plastic, it is not going to be decomposed. So we have to again think, okay, we have to purchase or we have to use the material which can be decomposed. So that is road. So I think these are the 9 R's we have to follow. We have to take as a responsibility, right? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Brajesh.